Bison, the largest land mammals in North America and Europe, stand as towering symbols of strength and resilience. There are two species of bison, the American bison and the European bison, also known as the wisent. Contrary to popular belief, the animal commonly referred to as the American buffalo is actually the American bison, specifically the plains bison. True buffalo belong to a different group of animals found in Africa and Asia. Both types of bison once roamed the continents in staggering numbers. Tens of millions of American bison once dominated the western plains of what are now Canada and the United States, playing an integral role in the lives of Plains Indians. Similarly, European bison once inhabited vast territories across Europe. However, over time, settlers and hunters decimated their populations, driving them to the brink of extinction by the early 1900s. Fortunately, concerted conservation efforts have led to the recovery of both species. Today, the American bison thrives mainly in protected areas such as national parks, no longer endangered. Meanwhile, small populations of European bison can be found in parts of Eastern Europe, notably in Poland, Belarus, Ukraine, and Russia, though it remains an endangered species. Bison are truly remarkable creatures, boasting impressive physical attributes. An adult male American bison stands about 6.5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh approximately 2,000 pounds, while females are slightly smaller. The European bison, though similar in appearance, is slightly larger but less heavily built. These majestic animals are characterized by their huge heads, a distinctive hump at the shoulders, and two short horns that curve upward. Covered in shaggy brown fur, which is longer on the head, neck, and shoulders, bison possess formidable hooves on all 4 feet. Bison are primarily herbivores, feeding mainly on grasses, and they typically move with a slow, plodding walk. However, when the need arises, they can unleash bursts of astonishing speed, running at up to 40 miles per hour. Bison usually live in small groups, but occasionally, dozens or even hundreds of groups come together to form large herds, a sight that evokes a sense of awe and wonder. As we continue to cherish and protect these magnificent creatures, let us remember their vital ecological role and profound cultural significance, ensuring that they continue to roam the grasslands as symbols of the wild spirit of North America and Europe. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.